Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the weekend edition of Song of the Day. It's Saturday. It's June 12th. Hope you guys are getting your weekend off to a great start. Got a couple of shout-outs today. First one, happy birthday to a friend of ours, Kelly Pearl. Kelly used to work with Kathy when she was working at Robin's Gym over in the East Bay. And Kelly, happy birthday to you. Hope you have a good one, kiddo. And that's about it for that one. And next up, we got a happy birthday to our international listener, our cousin Wendy Wakefield in England, celebrating her birthday today. And Wendy, we would like to say happy birthday to you. We hope that the lockdown over there in Great Britain is moving along at a rapid pace, and that you're finally able to get out and do some stuff and see some of your friends and your kids and have your life back. We really hope that's happening for you. So happy birthday, Wendy. We love you. Love to see you again someday. Hope we do. And Wendy has a standing request for Buddy Holly or the Everly Brothers. So I got a Buddy Holly tune for you today, Wendy. This one was written by Paul Anka, of all people. You remember Paul? He was a teen idol in the late 50s, but he was also a songwriter of note. He wrote this one and wrote most of the songs that he sang. She's Having My Baby was one of his big hits later on in his career. He moved to Vegas and had a standing job in Vegas for many years. I don't know if he's still doing that or not. Anyway, this one was written by Paul Anka and recorded by Buddy in the 50s before he passed in that plane crash. And this is called, also a great cover of it by Linda Ronstadt, if you want to hear her version. Linda always seemed to be able to pull out a Buddy Holly tune at any time. She did this one and It's So Easy and many more. She really liked Buddy, which is not too hard to believe. So here's Buddy Holly and It Doesn't Matter Anymore. There you going, baby, here am I. Well, you left me here and now I sit and cry. Well, golly gee, what have you done to me? I guess it doesn't matter anymore. Do you remember, baby, last September, how you held me tight each and every night? Well, oops-a-daisy, how you drove me crazy. I guess it doesn't matter anymore. There's no use in me a-crying. I've done everything and now I'm sick of trying. I've thrown away my nights, wasted all my days over you. Well, you go your way and I go mine. Now and forever till the end of time, I'll find somebody new, and baby, we'll say we're through, and you won't matter anymore. Crying, I've done everything, I'm sick of trying. I've thrown away my nights, wasted all my days over you. Well, you go your way, I go mine. Now and forever to the end of time, I'll find somebody new, baby, we'll say we're through, and you won't matter anymore. No, you won't matter anymore. I said you won't matter anymore. That's Buddy and It Doesn't Matter Anymore. And I got one more for you today. Wendy, I'm not sure if you're a Willie Nelson fan, but I'm going to do a Willie Nelson tune. This was written in the early 50s by a gentleman named Fred Rose, who wrote some country tunes and also was a music publisher. That's where he made all of his money and got all his fame. Acuff Rose, Roy Acuff and Fred Rose started a publishing company in the late 40s, early 50s, and they published all those classic country tunes, especially Hank Williams and Hank Snow and all those guys. This song was written by Fred Rose in the early 50s. Hank Williams recorded it and had a big hit with it. But Willie unearthed it, so to speak, in 1975. It was on his album called The Red-Headed Stranger, which is the one that kind of brought Willie back into the mix and really pushed him into the stratosphere, so to speak, of stardom. And it's just a classic country tune, Blue Eyes Crying in the Rain. Here's Willie. In the twilight glow I see her, blue eyes crying in the rain. When we kissed goodbye and parted, I knew we'd never meet again. Love is like a dying ember, only memories remain. And through the ages I remember blue eyes crying in the rain. Someday when we meet up yonder, we'll stroll hand in hand again. In the land that knows no parting, blue eyes crying in the rain. Blue eyes crying in the rain. Blue eyes crying in the rain. It's Willie and Blue Eyes Crying. Pretty song. And that's your Saturday song of the day. And hopefully you guys are going to have a good one. It's going to be hot here where we are and getting hotter. I think there's a heat wave all over the country actually, and I think we're going to hit like 117 or something in the next few days. So we'll be staying in the house and going in the pool. So you guys do what you got to do in your own personal heat wave, and we'll see you down the road. Till then, stay safe, keep well, be kind to each other, and keep on the sunny side. Happy birthday, Wendy and Kelly. We love you guys, and take care. Bye-bye.